Hi, I am sitting outside for this story. I thought you guys might enjoy it. It is called The Earth and I by Frank Ash. The earth and I are friends. Sometimes we go for long walks together. How could you go for a long walk with the earth? What do you think that means? I tell her what's on my mind. She listens to every word. Is it okay to talk to the earth? It sure is. Then I listen to her. What might you hear by listening to the earth? I know you can hear something right now. Do you know that voice? It is a lawnmower. Sitting outside, you can hear different things. I can also hear birds chirping. I can hear the wind blowing. So as I sit and I listen to the earth, I can hear her talking as well. What do you think you might be hearing the earth say through these pictures? The earth and I are friends. We play together in my backyard. When you're planting flowers or playing in the water, you're playing with things that come from the earth. I help her to grow. She helps me to grow. You plant your flowers in the earth, and then you eat the flowers that grow. I sing for her. She sings for me. I dance for her. Do you notice any trees or any leaves dancing in the trees, or any trees' branches dancing through the wind? She dances for me. When she's sad, I'm sad. What do you think makes the earth sad? Look at this picture. What do you think makes the earth sad? And how can you help? When she's happy, I'm happy. The earth and I are friends. So as we have just celebrated Earth Day, go ahead and think of ways that you can help planet Earth and ways that you can help the earth be better. What can you do? And let me know. Feel free to share a video back. Have a great day.